Then is noon. I told you before. Noon, lam, and ra has same makhraj. Originate when the tip of the tongue touches the gum up front two teeth. Noon. Next one letter is wow. Wow. Originated by circling the two lips. We'll make a circle as a circle with our up and down lip and we'll say wow. Then is ha, and ha is also from the throated letters. Always we'll say it from the bottom of our throat. And understand here we cannot mix up the voices of ha and ha. In Arabic, ha and ha are two separate letters and has separate makhraj. Ha makhrajes originate from the bottom of the throat. Ha from the bottom of your throat. Ha and next one is hamza. Hamza is also from the throated letters and ha and hamza has same makhraj. Originates from the bottom of the throat. Hamza, hamza. Next one is ya, jim, sheen, and ya. Three letters has same makhraj. Center of the tongue touches the upper hard palate. We will touch the middle of our tongue with up hard palate and we will say ya, ya. There is last one letter again ya. The first one ya and the second one ya has same makhraj, but there is just a difference between the shapes and between the structure. We'll understand why we are writing these two ya different. Inshallah ta'ala, we'll understand and we'll learn in our next lessons. So ya and ya has same makhraj. Center of the tongue touches the upper hard palate and we will say ya.